Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're diving into the NEMIX RAM 32GB DDR4 ECC unbuffered UDMM, specifically designed for NAS devices like the NAP-TS, 855X, and compatible with the NAP RAM. 32GDR4 ECK1 E3200. If you're looking to boost the performance of your NAS, this memory upgrade might be exactly what you need. NEMIX RAM isn't just another brand. They're a distributor and manufacturer specializing in computer memory and storage upgrades. They focus on enterprise storage RAM for servers and workstations, along with standard and specialty ECC memory for NAS, PCs, Macs, and laptops. This specialization gives them a unique edge in understanding the specific needs of different computing environments. The promise of this RAM is enhanced performance, and that's a big deal for NAS devices. Memory upgrades are often the easiest and most cost-effective way to speed up, maximize, and boost the overall performance of your computing environment. Whether you're running virtual machines, handling large databases, or simply want faster file access, more RAM can make a significant difference. Installation is straightforward. You can typically upgrade the memory yourself in just a few minutes. NEMIX RAM recommends referring to your owner's manual for detailed instructions, but the process is generally user-friendly. NEMIX RAM is committed to providing only the best, highest quality computer memory products in the industry. They back their products with a lifetime replacement warranty, which is a testament to their confidence in the quality and reliability of their memory. They also offer top-tier support from a seasoned IT support staff that completely understands memory upgrades. This particular module is a 32GB DDR4 stick running at 3200 MHz with a PC4-25600 rating. It's a 2RX8 module operating at 1.2V with a CL22 latency. The 288-pin ECC unbuffered UDIMM design ensures compatibility with a range of NAS devices, including the QNAP models mentioned earlier. The ECC error-correcting code feature is crucial for NAS devices as it helps prevent data corruption and ensures data integrity, which is paramount for storage applications. The fact that it's unbuffered is also important, as it allows for faster data access compared to buffered memory. The 1.2V operating voltage is energy efficient, which can be beneficial for NAS devices that run 24/7. Overall, the NEMIX RAM 32GB DDR4 ECC unbuffered UDIMM appears to be a solid choice for anyone looking to upgrade their NAS memory. With its focus on quality, lifetime warranty, and compatibility with popular QNAP models, it's definitely worth considering if you want to improve the performance and reliability of your NAS.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.